जवानों को एक कविता के द्वारा याद करें। कारगिल के वीर सपूतों को नमन, जो लड़े हिमगिरी पर बनकर अगन, वो झुके नहीं, दुश्मन को हराया, भारत का गौरव फिर से बढ़ाया। शौर्य की ये गाथा अमर रहे, हर दिल में उनका जिक्र रहे। जय हिंद के नारों से गूंज उठा, वीर जवानों का विजय दिवस मना। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Patriotism alive. The students of class 6A will now present a beautiful patriotic poem, Salute to the Brave, dedicated to our soldiers. The students of class 6A are now going to recite a poem, Salute to the Brave, to show gratitude to our brave soldiers for their determination and patriotism.
Taller than they will. In blazing heat they marched uphill. With hearts of fire and nerves of steel, each would they pose for the nation's heel.
Flags rose high where courage led. Footsteps echoed where angels tread. Not for glory, not for fame, but to honor the motherland's name.
Amid the smoke through gunfire stream, burn the torch of freedom's dream. Peace was planted in the soil so red, watered by the brave who bled.
Freedom lives in every breath, because they smile in the face of death. Valiant soldiers, bold and true, guarded skies of saffron hue. On Vijay Divas, voices rise to light their names across the skies. Let every heart and every hand protect the dream for which they stand. Let every heart and every hand protect the dream for which they stand. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Our pledge to honor the sacrifices of our brave soldiers through our actions and responsibilities. All students are requested to stand up and take the best position. I pledge to be a responsible citizen.
I pledge to be a responsible citizen,
To uphold the values of peace, unity, and discipline. And to always honor the sacrifice of our soldiers with integrity and pride. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. हम एक छोटा सा नुक्कड़ नाटक प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हैं, जो हमारे वीर जवानों की बलिदान और बहादुरी को समर्पित है। ये प्रस्तुति आपको याद दिलाएगी कि आज हम जो आजादी में सांसें ले रहे हैं, वो किसी की कुर्बानी की देन है। आइए हम सब मिलकर उन शहीदों को नमन करें, जिसकी वजह से आज हमारा तिरंगा शान से लहरा रहा है।
सर्दी हो या गर्मी, बर्फ हो या बारिश, सीमा पर खड़े जवान हर मुश्किल से लड़ते हैं।
नींद भूल जाते हैं, भूख भूल जाते हैं, पर देश की रक्षा से कभी पीछे नहीं हटते।
देश के रखवाले कौन?
हमारे जवान, हमारे जवान।
किसके दम पर देश महान?
हमारे जवान, हमारे जवान।
जब हम घर में चैन से सोते हैं, वो गोली की आवाजों में जागते हैं। जब हम त्योहार मनाते हैं, वो सीमा पर दुश्मन को हराते हैं। देश के रखवाले कौन?
हमारे जवान, हमारे जवान।
किसके दम पर देश महान?
हमारे जवान, हमारे जवान। कि उनके बलिदान को कभी नहीं भूलेंगे।
नहीं भूलेंगे, नहीं भूलेंगे।
हम भी अपने देश के लिए अच्छे नागरिक बनेंगे।
हाँ बनेंगे, हाँ बनेंगे।
उनके सम्मान में बोलो, शहीदों को प्रणाम।
शहीदों को प्रणाम। सीमा पर जो वीर खड़े हैं उनका मान बढ़ाना है, उनकी कुर्बानी को हर दिन तक पहुंचाना है। चलो मिलकर हम सब भी ये वचन दोहराएं, देशभक्ति के रंग में जीवन को सजाएं। शहीदों को प्रणाम। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। जय हिंद, जय जवान, जय हिंद, जय जवान। धन्यवाद।
Now, I would like to invite Harmeet Kaur of class 10A, who achieved one gold medal, one silver medal, and 2 bronze medals in 48 Junior Punjab Swimming Championship 2025.
To the honored sides, I request our worthy principal, Mrs. Ruchika Sharma, our vice principal, Mrs. Raina Jona, and our enrichment head, Sudeshna ma'am, to come up on the stage.
A huge round of applause for my favorite sport of dancing. She received 1 gold medal, 1 silver and 2 bronze medal in 48 Junior Punjab Swimming Championship 2025 in Ludhiana. Congratulations, Sunday. We are proud of you. Everyone, a huge round of applause for our medal. Yay! It was a swimming championship. Keep applauding everyone. We have 3 medals. 4 medals of sorry, 1 silver, 1 gold and 2 bronze medals in 48 Junior Punjab Swimming Championship.
I would like to invite all the students and teachers whose birthday falls this week.
Let me all sing together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear to you. Happy birthday to you. My name is Aditya Rathod from class 6A. My birthday falls on July 21st.
I am Kashvi Gupta from class 8A and my birthday is tomorrow. I am Hardeep Kaur Malhotra. I am from class 6C. My birthday falls on 24th July. Good morning everyone. My name is Aditya Karol from 6B. My birthday falls on 24th July. Good morning everyone. My name is Nicholas from class 8A and my birthday is on 20th July. My name is Tanaz. I am from class 7C and my birthday is on 25th July.
My name is Sadika Lamba. I am from 7C and my birthday falls on 26 July.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sabreen and my birthday falls on 28th.
Now, I would request our worthy principal ma'am, Ms. Ruchika Sharma, to share a few words of inspiration with us.
Very good morning to all of you. Today assembly was outstanding. Yes. 6A and 7A has made the benchmark to this level. Okay, it was outstanding assembly. I just don't have any words to tell or suggest anything to all of you. But really, very, very nice assembly, very fun and colorful. Can I have you here? So it's all the effort of the teachers, their mission and vision, what they feel before they plan the assembly. I really want them to come here. Come. Big round of applause. And I want this is the benchmark today for the assembly and the upcoming assembly to be to this level, right? But very nice and the Kargil theme was beautifully presented. The skit was so good and the song was so beautiful. And the Global Explorer 7A, that was also very nice. The kind of children have presented the role play of the different explorer of the world was excellent. Very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Very informative.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing such inspirational words. Now, I would request our Vice Principal filled with
Ma'am has already taken the mic. Thank you so much. I wanted to add here, I want to give a lot of credit to my team actually. Not only teachers, my students also. Actually, when I came back after holidays, I got to know that there is one assembly that is pending. And I requested Sudeshna ma'am that we want to combine both the assemblies, and ma'am said there is time constraint. But really congratulations to all of you that we just stick to that time limit also, and both the teams were so beautifully combined together. Like global explorers are finally patriots also, so they have to take care of their own country. So like first we will clap for class 7A under the guidance of Valerie ma'am. It was your first assembly. I think a bigger round of applause. It was not easy, but it is our SOP says that each and every child has to participate in the assembly. And you just did that. Thank you so much, Valerie ma'am. And in the way, ma'am, yeah, you are back. Yes, I'm so glad that ma'am is back in Smart Wonder School. That is back and really and your contribution actually was visible there. So now 2 things that I want to tell everybody here. Hello, anybody who visited any country during holidays? Global Explorer. Anybody? Yes, quickly, fast. I will not waste time. Yes, where you went? Where you went? Dubai. Okay. What is the thing that you noticed there? What have you brought from? Like, no, I'm not asking what things you have brought from there. What experience you have brought from there?
It's clean and kind of expensive too.
Oh, it's expensive too. Okay, clean and expensive. You went somewhere? UAE, okay?
And ma'am, I learned over there that everyone is unique. They don't stereotype you anywhere, like they don't. Everybody is equal over there.
Equal over there. Okay, you? Anything different? Any other country?
I went to Canada.
Canada. Okay, quickly. Yeah. What you learn? What you observe?
I observed there is very cleanliness.
Yes, cleanliness. So one thing. Okay. So one thing that I think same you also must have observed. What? Okay, speak up quickly.
Like I went to USA and there all the people were greeting us.
Greeting you, everybody. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. So okay, now one thing that everybody observed: cleanliness. Who is creating that cleanliness? Were the ministers on the road and they were cleaning the roads? Were the president or prime minister? They were all cleaning the roads? No. So everybody takes care of cleanliness. So this is what we have to learn. Whenever we go somewhere, we have to bring that culture here. This is the advantage when we go abroad. And second thing, USA. Even I visited USA. Thank you so much for bringing it up. Everybody greets you. This is very important. Everybody greets everybody. I'm telling you, you feel so awkward because everybody will just make eye contact. Hello, hi, how are you doing? Initially, when I visited, I thought maybe they are talking to somebody else. So I looked here and there, and then I realized, no, oh my God, they are talking to me. So now I am very alert. Whenever I am passing by, what I have to do whenever I am there? I have to say good morning. And believe me, I bring that culture back here also. You must have seen whenever I cross, I always try to smile. Please, you also do that. Start doing it. It is so good that everybody is lonely nowadays. Lonely doesn't mean that you are with the family, you are not lonely, but we know that. We are looking for good friends, and whenever you see anybody, what you have to do? Just when you are smiling, what you have to do? You have to smile and greet. Will you do that? Yes. So whenever ma'am is passing by, teacher or everybody or even your friends, say hi, how are you? Okay, but not loudly, politely. You have to just greet. Okay? And we salute our army, our soldiers who take care of our country, our borders. We are so grateful to them. And thank you so much for bringing these topics and amalgamating both the topics so beautifully. Thank you so much. Thank you always. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Jaideep sir. That song, and thank you everybody who's ever contributed. Monica ma'am who also. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Let us rise in pride and respect of our nation by proudly singing our national anthem. I request the choir to do the honors.